Do you have a collection, a charge off, a bankruptcy, eviction, a repossession, or student loans with late payments, or any other negative account that's affecting your credit score? I found 5 hidden laws that will completely wipe everything off your credit report without waiting 7 long years. And it's been getting results just like this, and like this, and like this. Now, before we get into the hidden violations and the laws that are in place for you, we have to get access to your report. Now, you want to get access to your smart credit report because now it's going to identify, it's going to help you. Well, I'm going to show you later what I'm talking about, but it's basically going to be able to increase your chances of getting this account removed from your report. All right. Now, if you don't have access to your smart credit report, the link is in the description and you can get access to it. All right, so once you get access to your smart credit report, now what's going to happen is what you want to do is, of course, click on this. Oops, I'm breaking it down. Sorry. You're going to log in, right? And then you're going to click on reports, right? Now, once you click on reports at the top or on the right hand side, if you're on your phone, you're going to click on 3-bureau report and scores. Now it's going to have your 3-bureau report and your scores, Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. Okay. Now, what you want to do is, of course, switch it to classic view. All right, got you. Switch it to classic view. Now, once you switch it to classic view, now what's going to happen is you want to go to every single account that's holding your credit score back. You want to screenshot it, right? I'm going to show you why. Screenshot every single account that's holding your credit score back, okay? I'm going to say it again, every single negative account holding your credit score back, okay? The charge off, the bankruptcy, the eviction, student loans with late payments, a repossession, a collection. If you have those accounts holding your credit score back, and if you have, let's just say, an open account, open loan, just say you have open car loan, and you have multiple late payments, screenshot that account as well, because those late payments is hurting your credit score. And I'll have another video for another day, but most importantly, that account, if you remove that account, they're not going to come pick up the car. If you remove the account from your report, you still owe the money. That's not what we're disputing. We're disputing the inconsistencies and the inaccurate, and what we're disputing is the inconsistent information that's basically Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax is reporting, right? And I'm going to show you why. But this is going to help increase your opportunity to get the account removed from your report. We're not talking about if you owe the money. We're not talking about that. We're talking about what's being reported on your report, which is going to allow you to remove the account from your report. And just because you pinpoint all the inaccuracies on your report, it doesn't mean the account is going to fall off your report, all right? But it's going to allow to increase your chances of getting the account removed from your report, all right? So with that being said, you just want to screenshot every single account on your report, all right? Everything, all right? Like I said before, once you screenshot it, what we want to do now is leverage artificial intelligence. If you're not leveraging AI, you're missing out, because you don't have to now think about every single law. I'm not a lawyer. I'm just here to show you, but you can leverage all these different things to help improve your chances of getting this account removed from your report, all right? Now, what we want to do next, of course, is leverage this right here. We're going to leverage AI, all right? Now, how you leverage AI is basically, I'll have this prompt for you, but what you want to do is upload every screenshot that you have that's holding your credit score back. So upload the screenshots, okay? So every screenshot, you can upload it as well. Now, once you have the screenshot, you're going to tell Experian, you're going to tell ChatGPT to act like a world-class dispute expert with 20 plus years and find violations according to the Fair Credit Reporting Act, right? So the FCRA is the Fair Credit Reporting Act. And then you're going to let ChatGPT do its thing, all right? Now, as it's doing its thing, you're going to see it's going to find violations for you, okay? So you're going to find all the hidden laws that I talked about. There are 5 hidden, and it's probably going to be even more based on the account that you have with your that's being reported, okay? It's probably going to find even more than hidden 5 laws, okay? But for this specific account, as you can see, here go the violations, all right? So FCRA discovered mismatched date open, all right? So across each credit bureau, Equifax, Experian, TransUnion had this specific date. That's a violation of this specific law. So Violation number one, the date open must be uniform because the account only has one open date. Hold up, wait. Before we continue, if you would like to learn how to work with me and my team completely for free, make sure you stay to the end because I'm going to show you how to become a client. The inaccuracy directly violates this one specific law, 15 USC 1681 EB, failure to ensure maximum possible accuracy, right? So that's one law. Now, the next violation, number two, mismatch number of months, terms, right? 0 months, 72 months, 72 months, reporting 0 months on Equifax is factually impossible and misleading. The negatively influenced payment history, interpretation, and violation. This negatively influenced payment history, interpretation, and violates 15 USC 1681 EB. Number three, missing date of last payment on Equifax, right? Equifax have a missing date, but Experian TransUnion have these specific dates. The missing value presents the consumer as potentially delinquent, which is materially damaging. Failure to report uniform data equals maximum accuracy in violation of furniture negligence, right? Number four, different date last active. Experience reporting a 15-month older date last active is a serious derogatory reporting discrepancy. This violates 15 USC 1681 EB and can artificially suppress the credit score, right? Number five, different last reporting data. Experian TransUnion, Equifax have this, but furniture must report uniform data to all three credit reporting agencies under FCRA and Metro 2 reporting standards. Different last reporting dates show non-standardized furniture and violates 15 USC 1681 EB, right? Now, let's go over next, basically violation that's found with this one account, right? So when a consumer disputes an account, all CRA must show the account as disputed during reinvestigation. So failure to do so violates 15 USC 1681 I, notification of dispute, another law, 15 USC 1681 S-2 A3, furniture must report account as in dispute. This is a major legal violation, all right? So summary for your dispute letter. Now, 15 USC 1681 EB, 15 USC 1681 IA, and then also talked about 15 USC 1681 S-2 as well. That's three specific law. Now, let me ask, what about, any other laws? Are there any other laws that the credit bureaus violated according to the Fair Credit Reporting Act? All right, this is a very important question to ask because this isn't perfect. 15 USC 1681 A2A, bureaus must notify the furnisher. 15 USC 1681 IA1, 15 USC 1681 S-2 A3. All right. So I just broke it down. Some more laws. 15 USC 1681 A. Okay. So as you can see, there are other multiple laws that Experian TransUnion, Equifax violate. Bonus, emotional distress and damages. If these violations led to credit denial, higher interest rates, emotional distress, loss of housing opportunity, loss of employment, you must be entitled to damages under 15 USC 1681 N, willful and noncompliance, 15 USC 1681 negligent and noncompliance, right? How this helps you in your dispute letter? You have multiple independent legal arguments on demand. Now, not just the information is inaccurate, right? So these multiple things can help increase your chances of getting this account removed from your report, as you can see. So the next thing you clearly want to do next is this right here. You're going to tell Experian, or you're going to tell ChatGPT, now act like a world-class dispute expert with 20 plus years and create a letter with the violations that will increase my chances to delete this account from our report. All right. And then you're going to let ChatGPT do its thing, let it come up with a letter, right? Now I'm going to show you how to take what ChatGPT comes up with and create your own unique letter so it can increase your chances of getting the account removed from your report. All right. So dispute letter is going to have this. It's going to have this. All right. So with this account, auto loan violations discovered. Okay. So have this And then this is direct violation of this law, this law, this law, and this law. And then due to violation listed above, and because all the information cannot be verified, cannot be complete, consistent, and fully accurate across all three, I'm demanding permanent deletion of this specific account. Required response, please mail me a copy of my credit report reflecting this. I'm also keeping potential records of all communication if it's inaccurate. All right, so hey, this letter is fire, okay? So what we want to do is, of course, copy this, violations discovered, right? Don't worry about this, because you have a screenshot of the account, right? So take all this, and then you're gonna put that on your letter. Share this tab instead. So you're gonna have you can go to freesecretletter.com and get a template, and then what we're gonna do is customize this template, okay, to your liking. All right, so we're gonna get all that violation remove the emojis off here, these specific laws, and then from there, I expect full compliance, first name, last name. And then another thing you can do is get this notarized, right? So we have the account that we're talking about. We have the violations that are discovered, right? Then we have the direct legal violation of the specific laws Experian, TransUnion, Equifax is violated, all right? And then from there, what we want to do is, of course, if you want to, it's up to you completely. It's probably going to help increase your chances of getting the account removed from your report. Even more, you can get this letter notarized. Now, it costs money if you go to the like UPS, it costs like $10, $11. So I believe a bank, a library might can do this, or you can look up some free places to get this completely done for free. And then what we want to do is just, of course, add 3 forms of identifications: driver's license, proof of residency, which is like a water bill, light bill, cell phone bill with this letter. And then you can also attach your social security card, your passport, just another, so you can have all 3. And then send this letter certified to Experian, to TransUnion, to Equifax, all right? Send this letter certified to the credit bureau. Now, if you don't have time to create the letters, the back and forth with Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, learn how you can work with me completely for free. The only thing that is required for you is just cover Smart Credit Monitoring, and I'm going to show you how to get access to your Smart Credit Report, right? So what you're going to do is click on, watch the video, all right, watch the video, and then if this is what you want to do, click on Start My Free Credit Repair, and then from there, what we want to do is, of course, you're going to put your first name, last name, put your phone number, email address, so I can get in contact with you, your phone number, what are you trying to do? What's hurting your credit score? Tell me what's going on. Then by checking this, okay. As you can see, let's just say late, I'm not sure, whatever the case may be. Start my free credit repair, okay. And then from there, it's gonna show you how to get access to your Smart Credit Report as well. And then we'll be in communication with you after you fill everything out. You should get a text message. You should get an email. Just look out in your inbox for a message from me and my team, so we can then, work together to craft these letters and knock the credit bureaus out. And I'm looking forward to helping you out on your credit repair journey.